boy SRT Book Break. You know what it is, baby. Y'all can't tap in with y'all live from the car wash, you know what I'm saying? I love it, you know what I'm saying? I gotta come let them wash this thing by hand, man. We can't have that kitty paint messed up, you know what I'm saying? We need to keep that shit looking real smooth and right and nice. Let me turn this music off. I ain't trying to get no copyright. Yeah, you know how they do that. What's good, man? What's good with y'all today, man? You know what I mean? Come in and tapping in with y'all. You know what I'm saying? You see the motherfucking cat, the roof, boy? Yeah. Tell me to clean that cat off real nice. So yeah, man, you know, we just, you know what I'm saying? We just chilling, man. It's a good vibe day, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? It's tomorrow supposed to be like 75 degrees or something crazy. So you already know what I came to do, you know what I'm saying? Came to clean that thing up. So tomorrow I can hop on a bike, the car be sitting there all clean, you feel me? That's how you gotta do that shit. You know what I'm saying? What's good with y'all though, man? I hope everybody got, you know what I'm saying, positive vibes going on. Good things going on for this week. You know what I'm saying? Word up, man. What y'all got going on for this weekend though? Anybody got anything coming up this weekend, all that good shit? One thing I like though about these people, I'm gonna say one thing. They clean your shit right over here. You know what I'm saying? It's the Mexicans over here, but they clean your shit real nice. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta go to different people to get different things done. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like we ain't got no other hand car wash around here that's black folks. Like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my boy, he got a little company shit. He ride around, he do like a cleaning shit with his truck and all that, but he kind of hard to catch up with. You know what I'm saying? You know, you be wanting that car wash, you just want to go pull up and get it done. Like, I'm one of them people, any things I be getting done, I'm like random with it. I just go get that shit done at the ill moment. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I came through here. You know what I'm saying? Let me get this shit real right. You know what I'm saying? And look, and after he finished doing all that, they're gonna actually hand dry my shit and everything. You know what I mean? You kind of can't beat that, man. You kind of can't beat that. Let me know what y'all do. You got a Hellcat, Mopar, period. You know what I'm saying? You got a Challenger, Charger, whatever you got. They tell me to pull up now. Whatever you got, let me know, man. Jump in the comments. I want to know how you get your shit washed. You know what I'm saying? I think it's the wax part. He told me to stop and wait a minute. Now he telling me to come on. This is the hand dry part, yeah. Right here. He gonna get busy. See? In case y'all wanna know, I'm driving a sport mode right now. You know what I mean? That's the mode I like to ride in when I'm like around the city. See? Yeah. Get that baby real nice and clean for me. Yeah. Real clean, yeah. They get busy over here, man. You wanna come over here and have them, you know, saying, get your car right, tap in, man. I'll let you know where to go. That's right. Sides, everything, man. Get busy in my shit for me. That's what I like. Yeah. Now they're gonna have me right now.
Hi, how are you?
All right, man. How you doing? That's stinky. He probably like, hold up, nigga. You smoking that stinky, nigga. Yeah. Usually when I come, I'm kind of, they used to me here now. But before, when I used to come, they used to always fucking take pictures and shit by my shit. Yeah, now, trunk. And they had you open your trunk. What's up, Bobby? What's that? Open the trunk and everything right back there. I'm saying? It's a team effort out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? Clean them wheels now. You know what I'm saying? It's nice. What's that Porsche behind me? Back there? Yeah. Wheels right for your boy. See how low this ground is right here, y'all? I can't even, when I leave out, that shit right there is no good for me, Ski. I got to go right out of the way. That shit right there, how my shit all scraped up all crazy. That's why I had to get the rear diffuser. Not rear. Oh my good. That's why I had to get the front splitter taken off. Cause that shit fucking scraping everywhere. So yeah, man, we about to take off in a second. Alright. He said I'm all good, so we out. See him looking at that thing pull off. We like, yeah, that thing clean. Yeah, it's clean. Thanks, man. Alright. Let me go out this way right here. Cause this ground ain't too low for your boy. Woo! Yeah, boy. These streets a little rocky, man. You know what I'm saying? After you get that thing clean, though, you know what I'm saying? You gotta burn them tires a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Sport mode hit that thing quick. It's that breakdown y'all love right there. Somebody always want to jump in front of the cat. Put that ever since I put that Corsica intake in too, y'all. That Corsica intake me. You know what I'm saying? That Corsica intake me added some pull to this baby. Word up. You know what I mean? Sport mode through the city, man. They all in the way and shit. Always want to try to stop me from being great, man. This street right here it should be straight driving down this street sometime because it be like open, but not right now. I'm going this way. I'm about to go straight this way and go hop my ass on the highway. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Niggas trying to let me be great, man. I'm about to wait, man. Water over there. It's a nice day out today, man. We got the sun shining. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it. Oh shoot. Look, y'all, he had the dog that made him fall. The dog had to use the bathroom bad. Wait, nigga. Don't you hear the beast behind you? Nigga, move. Sound like be disrespecting the beast, man? Don't you hate when you try, you know what I'm saying, just get somewhere a little bit. You got a slow ass car in front of you. Yeah, that shit making me upset. I ain't gonna cap to you. Stopping my greatness, man. Get up, man. Maybe you wanna spurt my blizzy up. Yeah, word up. Yeah. Yo, man, I'll tell you one thing, though. You know, people ask me, they say, yo, would you get another Hellcat? I'm gonna keep that shit 100 with you, yo. Hell yeah. What? Would I get another one? You fucking right I would. Huh? The way this baby be getting busy, man, there's no doubt about that shit. I'm telling you right now. I get shit. First off, I know, you know, like, this the Charger when we in. I would definitely get the Challenger. And I would definitely fucking get the Trackhawk. And I would definitely get the fucking TRX. You know what I'm saying? I ain't going to see. I was supposed to go that way, but he driving too slow for me. You know what I'm saying? He all in the way. Go ahead, my boy, you go first. There's that. Whoa! Felt that kick in, you know what I'm saying? Did y'all feel that kick in? Ooh, look at that. Like, he got some muscle shit going on with that shit. Huh? I still dust that shit. Nah, no cap. You know, some people be having some shit underneath the hood. You wouldn't even expect it. But I dust that shit, man. Don't play with me, man. Don't play with me. Somebody always want to jump in front of the cat. Whoa! This thing ready to go crazy. Police be over here, y'all, so we chill a little bit. Be right over here sometime. They ain't here right now. That's where they usually be at. Waiting, trying to catch somebody like me coming through this shit, ripping, slipping. You know what I'm saying? Come on, big Hummer. About to wait, man. Yeah, we about to jump on the highway. You know what I'm saying? Nice day out, man. The sun beaming right now. on jumping the highway, having a sport mode. You know what I mean? I would do track right now, but I'm gonna say the track mode for nighttime for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna say the track for nighttime. We act nasty at night with the track. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we just go chill in the sport mode on them. God damn, come on, light. That's one thing about this way over here. This light do be long as hell. We over here by the Tweed Airport. I just wanted to let y'all hear a roar real quick, you know what I'm saying? I want to take that special feeling away from y'all, you know what I mean? I just want to be quiet. Let you hear that whine and the roar. Way, man. There's always somebody trying to get in the way of the cat. Get out the way, man. Yeah, man. I just want to take y'all a little ride, man, real quick. You know what I'm saying? Entering back into the town now. Woo! Some niggas move out the way for the cat, boy. Word up. Big cat in the building. Yo, word up, man. You know what it is, man. It's your boy, man. SRT Buck Breeze, man. You know what I mean? Get with me, man, and stick with me. You know what I'm talking about? There's no slacking involved, man. All day and tomorrow. Word up, man. Let's get it, baby. You know what it is.
Follow me if you down to ride. Summer type to slide. 100 live, loaded 19. Follow me, know we going live. Shorty looking right. She gon' shake that thing all night. Follow me if you down to ride. Summer type to slide. 100 live, loaded 19. Follow me, know we going live. Shorty looking right. She gon' shake that thing all night. 36 O's with my slice of pie. I'm the type to slide. Can't hide, coming to get mine. Crossfire. Hit your mans cause he tried to lie, saw him die. But we don't speak on the murderize from time to time. You niggas tellin' being alive's a crime, bottom line. Hit your cosign from blind side in this ride. By where he reside. Thought he was on live, telling lies. Show you ride. Before it's loud, gon' keep on him quiet. Moments like this, I be getting so excited. Like the throttle fully open, riding on the spot. What you know about it? 130, barely see my body. Race against time for the bread, buddy. No slacking involved, we head hunting. Back out of the mall, they said something. Follow your boy, I'm bread hunting. Get, follow me if you down to ride. Summer type to slide. 100 live, loaded 19. Follow me, know we going live. Shorty looking right. She gon' shake that thing all night. Follow me if you down to ride. Summer type to slide. 100 live, loaded 19. Follow me, know we going live. Shorty looking right. She gon' shake that thing all night. Could never understand how you could fear another man. Only straps over here, I be looking like damn. Wish a nigga would, I'll leave him where he stand. Fuck it, put him on the gram, little something for a stamp. I be sticking to the plan, I don't trust a damn thing. Never swerve in my lane, stay conscious of your frame. Get you knocked out the game, it's a game, but I ain't playing. Straight slaying, for the bread, no delaying, no delaying. All your fiends complain, we straight drop like the rain. I'm big dog, you know what your day, my soul pain. Just recouping what it's paying. I ain't booster, only stay thorough with the aim. Gotta drop off on the block, follow me, switching lanes. Gotta drop on the op, never see that nigga again. Make his ass miss, drive by, stunting on his friends. Hey, follow me, if you down to ride, tell me type to slide.